Binomial theorem. Now the first point is, if n is a positive integer, then the expansion of x plus a whole to the power of n is equal to nc0 x to the power of n plus nc1 x to the power of n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x to the power of n minus 2 into a square plus so on, plus ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r plus so on, plus ncn a to the power of n. In this, some key points are: first one, the number of terms in this expansion is always equal to n plus 1. Number of terms in this expansion is n plus 1. Now, for example, the number of terms in x plus a whole to the power of 9 will be 10. This is the first point. Now, second point here is, n is called index of the expansion. N is called what? Index of the expansion. N is called index of the expansion. Third point is, the sum of the powers of x and a in each term is always equal to the index n. Fourth point is, the general term, which is very useful, the general term in this expansion is always r plus 1th term, which is denoted by tr plus 1, which is denoted by what? tr plus 1, which is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. Very, very important point. The general term of the expansion is always r plus 1th term, which is denoted by tr plus 1. It is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. Fifth point, the general term in 1 plus x whole to the power of n is tr plus 1 equal to ncr x to the power of r. General term is ncr x to the power of n. Sixth point, in the expansion x plus a whole to the power of n, the coefficients nc0, nc1, nc2, so on up to ncr, so on, ncn are called binomial coefficients. They are called binomial coefficient, denoted in short as C0, C1, C2, so on up to Cn. Denoted in short as C0, C1, C2, so on up to Cn. Seventh point is, the value NCR is always equal to NCn minus R. The value NCR is always equal to NCn minus R. That is, NC0 is always equal to NCn. NC1 is always equal to NCn minus 1. NC2 is always equal to NCn minus 2, and so on. Eighth point is, if NCR is equal to NCS, this implies either R is equal to S or R plus S is equal to N. Ninth point is, NCR minus 1 plus NCR is always equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is always equal to N plus 1 CR. 10th point is, the number of terms in the expansion x plus a whole to the power of n plus x minus a whole to the power of n is n by 2 plus 1 if n is even, and n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd.